gas station. It's not like this.
The Qatar Foundation invited Architectural Democracy to make a workshop at the 2019's WISE Summit, the World Innovation Summit for Education. We brought there the Architecture by Kids. Architecture by Kids matters because kids learn how to observe cities and find better ways to build them, to simplify a problem and make compromises in order to find a solution within a deadline, that there is no perfect solution like in mathematics and the best argument isn't the large or stone, that making things with the hands helps to think, and that problems brings opportunities. Architecture by Kids matters to us all because teaching children about architecture will directly influence parents' behavior and sensitivity towards a better understanding of cities and of society in a deeper level. It will speed up the needed improvements and awareness, which usually comes only within generation. In times of long-term societal and environmental changes, it is essential to engage and empower children and youth in planning and in decision-making. There is a lack of research, experience and practical tools on how to engage children in complex issues that involve multiple stakeholders and political decision-making. Participation of kids into societal and political matters are guaranteed by the UN Declaration of Children's Rights and is at the core of the preparatory work for the National Child Strategy in Finland. We usually organize workshops, camps, with 2 teachers who are able to speak different languages in a safe, cozy environment, at best surrounded by nature. Parents can join in full-time or leave for a coffee, but if they join, they wear the worker yellow hat, meaning parents take orders and execute. Kids are the architects. The structure of the camp simulates real architectural challenges. The camp opens up the basic architectural concepts such as scale, dimensions, lights, materials, and spaces. The workshop introduces the urban planning processes and pays attention to the rules of how cities are made of. Everything is done in a playful way. The structure of the camp is based on 3 main tasks: mapping and analyzing environment, designing a dream house, and designing a city. At the very end, when the new city or neighborhood is built, the teachers bring in some everyday life scenarios into that city, and the architects will imagine how it unfolds, a storytelling of the city. The process is built so that kids learn a mix of techniques and basic principles and are confronted with constraints and problems such as material scarcity, the ownership of the city, a day in the life of another person, and so on.
I have a park, a boat driving school, then we have a hotel, and then we have another hotel.
And why hotel?
They live in their